Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to uninstall Android Studio completely from your system. So for that, first you need to close any previous instances of Android Studio if they are in running state or not. So you need to close your Android Studio so that nothing is running on the background. Next you need to go to search and type control. So that will show you this control panel. So go there. Here you will get this uninstall a program, so open that. You can maximize this, so that's going to give you a list of all the programs that are installed on your system. So from here we are going to uninstall Android Studio, so that's why we are going to select Android Studio and going to click on uninstall. We're going to ask for administrative privileges, click on yes, and here is our Android Studio uninstall wizard. You can minimize this and select this Android user settings and click on next. Click on uninstall. Click on yes. That's going to start uninstalling our Android Studio, and you can see that it is uninstalled now, so you can click on close. But only uninstalling this Android Studio program will not going to uninstall your Android Studio completely from your system. So you still need to delete some of the files manually. So for that you need to go to your C drive. You'll get users folder over here, so you need to go inside that users folder. You'll get your username over here. So my username is GS for Geeky Script, so I'll go inside that folder. Here you'll get a Gradle folder. You need to select that and you need to hit the delete button on your keyboard to delete it. So it is deleted. Next you will get your project folder, so Android Studio projects folder. So here you will get all projects that you have created on Android Studio, so you can take a backup of this folder and then you can delete this. So just delete once you have backup of this project folder. I'm going to delete because it only has a hello world program just for demonstration. After doing that, next thing that you need to do is you need to hover over this view and you need to enable these hidden items. That's a very important step. Once you enable, you will get this app data over here. See, it is a bit grayed out folder because that was a hidden item. So you need to go inside that and then you need to go inside your local folder. You will get Android folder over here. So that is what you need to delete now. So hit delete button on your keyboard and it's successfully deleted. Next you will get a Google folder. You need to go inside that Google folder. Here you will get different Android Studio versions that you have installed. So again, this is what you need to select all and you need to delete. Next, again you can go back to your local directory. You will get this main KTS compiled cache folder. Again, these are all installed during Android Studio installation. You can safely delete those. Next you need to go a directory back and you need to go to roaming folder. Here you will get a Google folder. Again you need to go inside that Google folder. You will get Android Studio installed over here, so that folder also you need to delete. So that's pretty much all about it. Next you can close all this and you can go to search and type Android Studio. That will show you this app over here. So our app is no longer installed, but still it's going to show you the shortcut. So you need to right click and you need to click on this open file location. Here if you go a directory back to your programs folder, you will get this Android Studio. So that is what you need to delete so that it no longer shows that shortcut also, and that is it pretty much. So now if you go to search again and type Android Studio, you can see it is no longer showing Android Studio. It's just the exe that it is lying on your download directory. So our app is no longer there. So now you can freshly install Android Studio if you want. So that's how you uninstall Android Studio. Please do check out my other videos, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more these similar kind of videos. So that is basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.